Welcome to day 11 here at Vero Beach. We had a great day today. Went through a lot of meetings this morning, went out in shorts tonight, had a great night of practice. Had a young visitor today, Cody, who is a young man fighting leukemia, was here a year ago. Team's been asking a lot of questions about him, so it was nice to get a chance to spend a little time with him. But we went out in shorts tonight. Staff is doing just an unbelievable job. This staff is an incredible staff, kind of taken for granted because they do so many great things when you talk about them from top to bottom, from coordinators to position coaches, and the job that they're doing coaching the young men, building relationships right now has really been special. Went out and had our practice on the field, then came back in, had a great talent show. We had talent from the freshmen, we had skits from the upperclassmen mimicking the coaches, we had skits from the coaches mimicking the players. So finished with a rousing fight song and a great night tonight. Looking forward to our last day tomorrow at Vero Beach, day 12, where we have our last practice here before we'll get on the road about 3 o'clock. So we appreciate you joining us here in Vero Beach. Go Bulls.
All right, Cody.
Cody.
We had to come to you, buddy. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here, and I'm glad you're feeling better. It means a lot to us. I appreciate it. Thank you,
Coach, thank you very much. We'll see you in the first game.